Do you know how to make the registered trademark symbol and the trademark symbol straight from your phone? What if you're typing out your business name or your slogan or your tagline and you need to attach the registered trademark symbol to the very end because you are now a registered trademark holder? Do you know how to do that? Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and if you are watching this channel, then welcome. I have been registering trademarks and helping small business owners establish their brands in a creative and legally safe and sound manner since 2013. I love working with creative minds because they are the biggest risk takers and they are willing to put everything on the line for a big idea. And I can relate to that because I too have another business that was inspired by my own family. I will link that down below in case you want to subscribe to our other channel. But right now I want to teach you how to use the registered trademark symbol and the trademark symbol straight from your phone. You see, if you've watched any of my other videos, then you know that if you want to become the owner of a registered trademark, then you are not allowed to use the registered trademark symbol yet. So while you are waiting for that registration, you can use the TM symbol as a placeholder. But do you know how to find the trademark symbol on your phone? Well, keep watching. So here I am on another phone, and I want to show you exactly how to find the registered trademark symbols and the trademark symbols. So some of you might think, okay, this is nonsense, but the reality is you're going to find yourself writing emails, sending text messages, maybe posting on social media, and you are going to want to use that registered trademark symbol when possible. You don't have to use it every single time, but you don't want to be so lackadaisical that you never use it either. So if you get into the good habit of using it quite often, if you are a registered trademark holder, or if you want to claim common law rights in a mark and put people on notice that you are using a mark, then you would use the TM symbol. Then this video is going to be important to help you understand how to do that in text messages and on social media. So actually this video is going to be very helpful, and if you agree, then make sure you tell me in the comments below, yes, I agree, and tell me, because I use social media a lot, because I find myself talking about my business a lot in emails. So tell me down below, I agree, I use it for business or for social media. So here we are. Here's a blank screen. And you simply put the cursor inside where you're going to type, and then you want to hit the smiley face down here. So you hit the smiley face, and all these emojis are going to pop up. You want to make sure that you hit this where the symbols are. And then you keep scrolling until you find the trademark and the registered trademark symbols. So the registration mark is right there, the circle R. And then the trademark symbol is right there, TM. So let's say that my brand is just called brand and I already have it registered. Then I am going to use the circle R and I am going to type in brand with the circle R. And then I can hit send. Now, if you were typing out an email, then it works in the exact same manner. You just find the emoji and then you click on this little guy here, and then you scroll over to where the registered trademark symbol or the TM symbol are. So if you haven't already watched my video on what kind of symbol you should be using, if you should be using the TM symbol, the SM symbol, or the circle R symbol, then I'm going to link the video up here so that you can watch it, because you are going to learn more than you knew before you started watching this video. And I guarantee that if you keep learning as much as you are and learning all these tips and tricks, then you should be hitting subscribe and telling your friends about this video. So if you can share this out to somebody who is interested in starting their own brand and working with a business coach, then I invite you to hit subscribe and share this with your friends.